Let's have a look at another criteria for similarity, that is SAS. Here S stands for side and A stands for angle. Let's say we have two triangles. Let's say this triangle is ABC and this is DEF. As per this criteria, if angle A is equal to angle D and the ratio of AB and DE is equal to AC and DF, we have to make note of it that the angles are included in the two sides of which we are considering the ratio. If these two conditions satisfies, then the two triangles ABC and DEF will be similar. Now, in order to demonstrate the concepts that we have learned on similarity, let's have a look at one example. We will take one right angle triangle. This angle is 90 degree. Let's say this angle is x. Now if this angle is x, then this will have to be 90 minus x, because sum of all the angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Let's make a construction. We are drawing a perpendicular. Let's name this point as D and let's give the name to other points also so that we can better demonstrate it. Let's say these points are A, B and C. Now if we consider triangle BDC, now D is 90 degree, C is x, so angle DBC will have to be 90 minus x. Now since angle ABC is 90 minus x, so other part, that is angle ABD, that have to be x. Now let's consider triangle ABD and triangle BCD. Let's say angle C is equal to, or the better would be, let's write it this way. So in triangle BCD, angle C is x and angle DBC is 90 minus x. So better to write in this form that for triangle ABD, now angle A is 90 minus x, and in triangle BCD, angle DBC is 90 minus x. So we can say that angle A is equal to angle B if we consider these two triangles, and angle B in triangle BCD is nothing but angle DBC if we write it in complete form. Now angle BDC is 90 degree. Similarly, angle BDA is also 90 degree. Now if these two angles are equal, of course the third angle will also be equal, and it is evident that angle ABD is equal to angle X, and which is equal to angle DBCD in triangle BCD. Both are equal to x. Now by AAA criteria, these two triangles are similar. Now when we are trying to write the angles or the similarity expression, it is important that we write in correct form, correct sequence. Now A is corresponding to B and D is corresponding to D, because both are 90 degree and D is common point in both triangles. Now if you look closely, angle ABD, that is x, and angle BCD, that is also x. So B is corresponding to C. Now we have the correct and full expression that triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC. Now if these two triangles are similar, we can write that AD by BD and then DB by DC and then AB by BC. We have to make sure that we are writing in correct order, because order is important whenever we are writing the expression either for similarity or congruency. Sorry. Now we will take first two pairs, and first two pair we can write AD by BD equal to, since BD is nothing, DB is nothing but BD only, so let's write it in correct order or same order so that we can write some meaningful expression, and this will finally be reduced to BD square is equal to AD into DC. This is a very important result. Sometimes it is used directly. So BD, that is perpendicular, is equal to AD into DC.